Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, I show you real machines that solve real problems in the field. Today we are testing a new generation post hole digger, designed to work even in hard, rocky soils. This machine will save you both time and money and get your project off to a faster start. Whether you are farming, erecting power poles, planting trees, or building a solar pit, this video is a must-watch. The post hole digger converts the power of the tractor's power takeoff (PTO) into a precise drilling movement. As the PTO shaft rotates, it turns a high-torque gearbox, which then drives the vertical auger shaft. The auger goes deep into the soil and pulls the soil up in a spiral manner. Now this all sounds easy. But the terrain in India changes every few feet. Sometimes it's sand, sometimes it's black soil, and sometimes it's just rocks. That's why this machine is built with carbide-tipped blades that work through the hardest terrain without wearing out or breaking. The gearbox is also extra reinforced to withstand sudden interruptions and maintain torque without interruption. And the PTO shaft? It's perfectly balanced to reduce vibrations, reduce heat buildup, and avoid problems during long-term operation. This is no ordinary digging machine. It's a precision tool, built with efficiency, safety, and minimal maintenance in mind. Now find out what sets this machine apart from the rest. Let's test this machine in the real field. Right now we're digging a 7-foot deep hole. And there are a lot of pebbles and rocks in the ground. Look carefully, even in such difficult terrain. The machine is neither shaking nor jumping. The auger rotates straight in its place and goes down steadily. This is because of its balanced design and strong boom arm, which keeps vibrations low and keeps the machine stable, no matter the type of ground. You will also be able to see how cleanly the soil is coming out. This is the power of the carbide blades, cutting, lifting and throwing out the soil, without choking, without getting stuck. This also reduces the time taken in cleanup. Now look at the operator. This is a job of just one person. One tractor and one operator, that is enough. All its controls are operated by the tractor itself. No separate hydraulic system is needed. We have tested this setup in hilly areas, fields and places where electricity poles are installed. If suddenly a stone or root comes down, the gearbox and auger stop right there. No breakage, no accident. Once the pit is dug, the pole can be placed straight and precisely, thanks to the boom's tilt and swivel movement. Pole installation is no longer a half-day job. It takes just 5 minutes. Whether you're working alone or with a small team, this machine saves you time, effort, and cost. All three. Every day, everywhere. This machine isn't just for farmers. It's a powerful tool for a variety of jobs. Whether you're planting trees, erecting power poles, or building foundations for solar panels, this machine gets the job done quickly and precisely. For plantation projects, you can dig deep and make pits at equal distances. For power poles, it attaches a pole erection boom, making the job safer and faster. If you are building a solar foundation, this machine digs to the right depth even on sloping ground. For fencing in rural areas or cattle pens, it makes every hole very easily. And for wiring and installing stays on poles that are already installed, we have the option of a man lift trolley, which has safety gear so you can work without any risk. Every part of this machine is designed to reduce your effort, increase safety and increase output. It's not just a machine. It's the result of smart design, robust engineering and field testing that makes real fieldwork easier. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. And if you are interested in this machine, contact us at the number given in the description. I'm Mrs. Kaushik. Be smart, stay strong, and keep innovating.